What's up guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Now I know some of you have been sending these messages to me, some of you might have been wondering and might have been thinking like where have I been? I mean it's really only been about like 3 weeks I think, but I know on the flip side there are some people who really didn't care where I'm at, so whatever. But for those people who really did care about what I have been up to or what's the next steps for the channel, I'm about to, unveil all of that for you guys today. Look at him. About to sell his front. What do you mean? I don't understand what you're trying to say. Every single time you come here to tell them about something to buy or whatever, it's like you're selling your front on the roadside. Wow. I really don't think it's that deep, Ibby. Really, it is very deep when you think about it. It's funny that you say that. It's a great pun. Deep and front. Oh my god. Go ahead, carry on with your video. Tell them what you're about to do with your channel. Ibby, I think it's time like you kind of give me some time to actually just talk about what I need to talk. You are talking to me as if I am the one that is causing this. Remember, you are me and I am you. You have all the opportunity to stop me from talking, but still you refuse to do it. Tell us why that's so. Can we just not even have this conversation right now? I just want to get back to the video and so that we can start. I want to move forward. It is very funny that you say move forward. Go on, move with your front. Go on and sell your front. I am done. You can talk and do what you're doing. Okay, now that he's done, I'm going to talk to you guys about the real thing, the real meat of the matter today. So as you guys know, or as I've realized with you guys love the videos of me traveling with Judah or doing food vlogs with friends, stuff like that, and I love doing those videos too. But to be quite honest, those videos are pretty expensive. To give you a quick sum up, when we took that trip out to Portland, a trip like that could easily cost $500 when you factor in transportation just to get there, accommodation, food, time off from work. All of these things make me personally lose revenue, but at the same time it takes a lot of time and effort to actually create the videos. Now it's not that I don't like it, I really enjoy what I'm doing, but it's come to a point where we definitely need to find ways to get more support. It doesn't matter how small it is, every bit of support I think is important for the channel. So what we decided to sign up with is a social site called Patreon. A lot of the big YouTubers use it, growing YouTubers, small YouTubers. Everyone uses it for a different reason. Some channels, sometimes they sign up with Patreon even when they're big so that the subscribers can donate to maybe hire a cameraman or to maybe hire a film crew, whatever the case is. Patrons come together and help YouTubers or creators or songwriters to actually create goals, to reach the goals that they want to make the channel and the content keep improving. Now, one of the reasons why I want to sign up with Patreon is that it's going to give me more time to focus heavily on creating the videos. A lot of the times the videos that I do, I'm either leaving from work, I'm tired, I'm not as enthusiastic as I would like to be, or I'm rushing through the videos a lot more because I have work to do. There's so many other things that I have to focus on. What Patreon is going to do is going to give me a little bit more cushion whenever people are supporting the channel. Now on my Patreon, there are different donation tiers, and what I love the most about Patreon, it gives us the ability to give you more exclusive access. When people give, of course, I know some people, they want to be treated a bit differently. They want to be shown that, yo, we appreciate what you do. So with these Patreon tiers, you're going to have different benefits. So the lowest tier is a $2 tier, which I think is an incredible tier. You're pretty much donating like 50 cents every single week to someone that you really want to see grow, which I think is awesome. And you're getting one of the best benefits, which is the early access to videos. With early access to videos, you are getting the videos before everyone else who is going to be like a basic YouTube watcher, just the regular subscribers who are just watching the videos. You're going to be getting early access to these videos, which is a cool thing. It means that you're going to be able to comment first and get your comments responded to. That's something that I'm going to kind of slow down on a bit more, which is on comments. I love commenting back to people, but sometimes it can be very it can be very hurtful, some things that people say. Like one of my last comments, someone said something about like Jamaican food is like slavery food or whatever the case is. I thought it was very disrespectful, and I kind of want to get away from that. I want to now be focusing more on my patrons. Persons who I know will watch the videos first, drop their comments first, and I will know that these are the people who really care about the sustainability of the channel. Doesn't mean that I'm not going to be responding to the other YouTuber watchers who are, you know, watching the videos. Definitely not. It just means that I'm going to be subjugating more different times where I'm going to be responding to comments. Now, another thing about the $2 tier that I like is the Discord access. With Discord access, it's pretty much going to be improving the community. Some of you guys have come to Jamaica and you've sent me pictures about the places that you've been to. You've given me your own reviews on the places that I suggested. What Discord does is going to give us a discussion room, an area where you can voice chat with me, I can voice chat with you, I can give you help and give you certain tips on stuff that you need. Also, you have the chance to maybe post up your pictures, post up videos, so that people can also be learning from your experiences as you are learning from mine. So I really like that tier. The downside with that tier though, there's only 20 spaces I believe, so if you really want to become a patron, cop that tier immediately. That way you're going to be getting early access to videos. The cool part about it now is that on Patreon right now, I have 3 videos that are ready and waiting for you guys. So these 3 videos, you're going to be getting early access before everyone else. They're going to have to be waiting for maybe like another week or so. And you're going to also be getting an exclusive video to where I'm going. So I'm going to be explaining where my trip is to, why I chose it, and what I plan to be doing there. So that's really the great part of Patreon. The people who are the fervent supporters, the people who are been here with me from the get-go, will actually get, you know, some recognition and be treated a little bit more special. So I really enjoy that part about Patreon. Now, the next tier, which I think will be the best tier, which is the $5 tier. I like that tier because at the end of the day, or the end of every single video, your name will actually be at the end of it in credits. Why I like that? There have been people who have said to me, hey man, like, I've been watching your videos for a long time, I really support what you're doing, but really there's no way for anyone else to really know that. A lot of you did buy shirts, and for me that was amazing. That way you have given proof, but I want to also give you proof where you're getting early access to videos but your name is up there. Maybe one day we get to 1 million subscribers, we can look back in year 2019 and we can all see that John Roberts, or whoever your name would be, actually was a contributor to Patreon. Now the cool part about Patreon is that it's flexible. Let's say this month you run into some tax returns and you're balling. You have a lot of money. Maybe that month you decide to give $5. You feel to be generous. You decide to donate $5 to the channel. But maybe the next month you don't have it as much. You can always modify your contribution, and the next month you can maybe donate $3.50. You can always modify it. I really like that about Patreon. But as you guys can see on the screen, that there are different tiers. They have different benefits. You guys can check them out and go over there and, you know, give Patreon a go. To be quite honest, I don't know how many patrons I'm gonna get. I really hope to at least get 5 patrons at the end, by the end of the year. I'm gonna grow it the same way that I did grow the channel, starting with 0, you know, and just hope and pray that my real supporters will actually go over there and show me some support. Another great thing that I like about patrons is that you guys are going to be given guaranteed videos. There are a lot of the times when I have like down times. For example, just now, you guys are going to always still be getting videos because you guys are paying for a service, and that's going to be something that I'm going to like about Patreon as well. Now, it's also going to give me an opportunity to organize my videos. There are some things that I don't want to be putting on my YouTube anymore. For example, as I said, you guys like the travel videos, you guys like the food videos. That's what I want to be putting out there. My travel, my food, you know, honey, those kind of stuff. I'm no longer going to be putting out videos like, you know, my day-to-day life or whatever the case is. If you want to see that, then definitely become a patron. Another benefit that I'm putting up on Patreon is doing the exclusive videos. Now, there are some things that you do want to know about me, or you know what happened, but I didn't put that in a vlog for personal reasons. For example, many of you who've been watching for a long time wanted to know where's my last girlfriend, like what happened with her. I'll definitely do like exclusive videos like that you alone will be able to see. So that will never ever hit on YouTube. So that's one thing that I really enjoy about this whole Patreon platform. Another thing about Patreon is the goals. For example, this month's goal is $100. I don't know, for me personally, I think it's a pretty low goal, but that's the goal for this month. What I like about Patreon and goals is that you guys are going to be able to see what we're trying to achieve, and you can decide if you want to contribute to that particular goal. And at the same time, you can see, man, this guy really has a lot of support, he really needs the help, or I don't know. I like that about the goal system, that you guys can actually see what's happening. A couple months back when I talked about drones, a few people were saying, yeah, we want to get you a drone, go do a GoFundMe. GoFundMe is really cool, but GoFundMe, the only benefit that you're getting is the drone. At the end of the day, I want you to get the benefit of the drone, of being treated as an exclusive viewer of the channel, and at the same time you can have your name up in lights. That's probably my favorite part about it. As you guys might know, I really like interacting with you guys, and I want everyone else to know that you have been a great part in the growth of this YouTube channel. But anyway, that's pretty much what I wanted to talk to you guys about. If you want to know more about Patreon, just go over there. You'll see everything, all the details about each of the tiers and stuff. Remember, there are already exclusive videos on there. There are like 3 videos on there, I believe. 2 of them will not hit YouTube until maybe a week or so, and one of them is a complete exclusive where I'm going to be telling you guys where I'm going, what I plan to do, and so on. Please, I hope by the end of this month I have 2 patrons, and by the end of the year I have 5 patrons. For the people who really support me, please go over there and cop at least the $2 tier. I'd really support it. Not support it, I really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. How do you feel? I am certain maybe at least 500 people will watch this video, and they all saw you trying to sell your front. And you're telling me you put your front out there and you only want 2 people to take the front. Everybody here's got a show and you won't get anything but 2 patrons, huh? Boy, you be lucky if you only get even 1 patron to your Patreon page. Hey boy, why you so negative? So I guess we are like a battery, huh? I am the negative one and you are the positive. Huh? Everything you say, because you are Soai Vlogs, you're so chirpy and so happy. So you really think that there will not be a negative side to Soai Vlogs, huh? Hey, let me tell you this. I know a lot of you are not going to sign up to his Patreon, but don't worry, videos will still come out for you. But for the people who really want to support him and his venture, go out there and jump on his Patreon. I tell you, he's going to put a lot of things on Patreon where you're going to enjoy short films, exclusive videos, and you're going to be getting early access. Think about it, man. Think about it. It is like when they release that new video game or that new TV and you are the first one to try it. That is very spectacular. And you're going to be helping him to grow. A lot of you over there, you like this guy. And you cannot give him $2. Come on. You have a deep pockets, I know. Hey boy, we do not talk to our supporter like. Now you have me not knowing what to say. Don't worry, I will tell you what to say. You over there stuttering like a car that cannot drive. Anyway, let's drive this Patreon. Let's get it going. We are looking for 5 Patreons by the end of the year. But I believe we will get 10 because you guys are love a boy, huh? Anyway, remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, can I finish my own video? Remember to just keep the link. Go ahead and sell your front.
Did you just tell him to sell him front?
Judah, why did you mess me up, man?
I'm sorry.
I'm in my second personality. I'm talking to myself. It's hard filming with her here, like, I swear. Let's do it again. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. Now, oh shit. Channel growing, and it's going to be really important for me to do this for the channel, just to sustain it and to keep it growing. I don't like that. Let's do it again. You about to go sell your fronts. I can't do this with you in here.
No, you don't.
Let's do it again, baby.